What exactly makes the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 Rough Crafts Edition so special? Watch the video all the way through.
Royal Enfield has once again unveiled a special edition motorcycle that has immediately captured the attention of collectors. This time, the British Indian manufacturer is introducing the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 Rough Crafts Edition, a limited production motorcycle inspired by the iconic Caliber Royale custom bike created by the renowned Taiwanese custom shop, Rough Crafts. This exclusive motorcycle was first unveiled at EICMA 2025 before being showcased at Motoverse 2025 in India. What makes it so special is its extremely limited production run. Royal Enfield is producing only 100 serial numbered units globally, with just 25 units allocated specifically for the Indian market. The official price is set at 5.75 lakh rupees, or approximately $6,700 excluding other fees. In terms of appearance, the Shotgun 650 Rough Crafts Edition looks far more premium than the standard version. The color combination of gloss jet black and matte stealth black is paired with hand-applied gold accents, subtle gray highlights, and a Rough Crafts collaboration emblem made of cast brass. The fuel tank also features an individual production number, underscoring its status as a collector's item. Other exclusive touches include black bar end mirrors, a quilted leather seat, alloy wheels with a contrast-cut finish, and gold-colored front suspension tubes. As a bonus, each buyer will receive a numbered piece of art featuring a sketch of the Caliber Royale, personally signed by Rough Crafts founder Winston Yeh. In terms of performance, there are no changes compared to the standard Shotgun 650. The bike still relies on a 648 cubic centimeter air and oil-cooled parallel twin engine that produces 47 horsepower and 52.3 Newton-meters of torque, paired with a 6-speed transmission. Thus, the updates are entirely focused on design, premium details, and collectible value. Royal Enfield is accepting pre-orders from July 15th through July 30th, while sales will be conducted in phases via a drop system in various countries. In India, sales begin on July 30th at 7 p.m. IST, and only the first 25 buyers who successfully complete their transactions will be eligible to take home one of these exclusive motorcycles.